cube is a three-dimensional box shape where all the edges are equal length. All the faces of a cube are square. The volume of a cube is the width times the length times the height. In the case of a cube, the width, length and height are all equal. If the cube's sides are length A, the volume is A times A times A. In other words, the volume is A cubed. We can unfold a cube. This creates a net of the cube. A net is just all the faces of a 3D shape, flattened out. From the net, we can see that the cube has 6 square faces. This also allows us to calculate the surface area of the cube. The area of each face is A squared, and there are 6 faces, so the surface area is 6A squared. A cube has 8 corners, or vertices. There are 4 vertices around the top of the cube. There are 4 more vertices around the base. A cube has 12 edges. The top has 4 edges like this. The base has 4 more edges. And finally there are 4 edges around the sides of the cube. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or visit graphicmaths.com. The link is in the description below.